sky is open slowly. Light is breaking through the night. Every step feels unfamiliar, but my heart is still alive. I was standing at the edge, waiting for a sign to stay. Every fear I used to carry is drifting away. I don't need a perfect answer, I don't need to know it all. I can feel the air around me when I choose to let it fall. I held my breath for far too long, trying not to move, not to feel. But something in me's waking up. Now I know this is real. I'm falling, but I'm not afraid. I'm moving forward, not away. I let go, I trust the sound. I'm falling into solid ground. I'm falling and I feel alive. Every step is turning right. Even if I don't see the end, I rise again. I'm falling into the open sky. I'm falling, I'm alive. The past is fading in the distance, like a shadow losing shape. Every scar becomes a reason to believe in what I make. There's a rhythm in the moment, I don't need to close my eyes. There's a rhythm in the moment, teaching me to fly. I was waiting for the perfect time, for the fear to disappear. But the moment I start moving is the moment I am here. I'm falling, but I'm not afraid. I'm moving forward, not away. I let go, I trust the sound. I'm falling into solid ground. I'm falling and I feel the light. Every step is turning right. If I stumble, I will learn. If I break, I will rebuild. Every fall is just a again.